Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on emergency location service in Samsung Galaxy S22. By default this function should be turned on, but if it's not, where to find it? We need to go to settings, of course, then we are looking for safety and emergency menu here, and here we have emergency location service. As you can see, it's turned off. To turn it on, we simply tap it once, and now it's on. No need to save, just back out from this menu and it's turned on. So what does it do and why it should be turned on? We have explanation right here. You can read it from the screen, or you can check your own phone. Back out, it's now turned on. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.